In this video, we're going to talk about replacing this, just a portion of this cut button. Sometimes these it's a blue piece here, just a cap there for when you push it. There's a cut button push there. This is the front of it here, and this is the back. The back will go in the electronics compartment connected to the wires, and this will be the front part. There's two different ones. This is the main one right now. Basically, it's pretty simple. There's two parts to this, and you just got the white piece that just goes in there. This will be in your machine. You'll see this part in your machine here, and all you gotta do is put this white piece back in place, and then take this cap. It just screws on. So just lay it there, and you just use your thumb, light pressure, and just screw it on. It's about one full turn screwed on, so you'll get about 4 of those. And what I was doing there, and then just try to get as tight as you can. You can push down it and try to get as tight as you can, and that's basically all you have to do. If you if we send you a part to fix it, sometimes we'll just send you that. It depends on what you need, but we could just send you the blue piece, or we can send you the whole button. If you get the whole button, it just comes like this, and you're just going to take that off like that, and you're going to take this nut off the back, and you're going to take this clear plastic thing. There's a washer there, so you can keep that together. You can put the nut right on top there, and then you're just going to screw this piece off here, this outer piece, and then you're going to screw this piece off. That's to get this piece. If we send you the whole button and all you need is this piece. Sometimes we send you the whole button because sometimes this is stripped, or the reason why this fell off, or something's broken on this, and you'll eventually need the whole button. So a lot of times we'll just send you the whole button, and then you can just take this part off and see if you can fix it that way. If you can't, then you can put it back together, the original button. Put that on, screw that on nice and snug tight, and you can then you can replace this whole part. And we got a video on replacing the cut button. So, but if you have this back in your, this is the rear portion of the button. It's a smaller one. If this is the one you have, you can just swap this out and leave this in place with the wires on it, and then connect it back on it when you put it in place. If you have this one and we send you this one, then you'll have to replace the whole button, or vice versa, because this piece is not compatible with that, and that piece there is not compatible with that. So basically, just we'll probably send you the whole button if you have this issue with that missing. Just take it apart, get your blue piece off there, and just see if you can screw it on. If it stays on, great. If it doesn't, then there's something else stripped on it, and just replace the whole front portion of the button. And if you have something different, then you gotta replace the entire button. And we do have a video for that on our website, replacing the cut button. This video was published by mbkpinternational.com.